Do you feel anxious about visiting the dentist? Dental anxiety is common. Here are 5 ways to reduce dental anxiety. Firstly, communicate with your dentist. Discuss fears and concerns pre-appointment. This allows for treatment tailored to your needs. Secondly, practice relaxation techniques. Use deep breathing, meditation, or visualization. This can distract you from any anxiety and promote a more relaxed state. Thirdly, consider bringing a trusted friend or family member to your appointment. A familiar face can provide comfort and reassurance. Fourthly, ask your dentist about nitrous oxide. It's a safe, effective sedative, providing relaxation during procedures. It can provide a sense of relaxation and euphoria. Lastly, remind yourself of the positive outcomes of receiving dental treatment. It benefits your health. Visualize leaving the dentist's office with a sense of accomplishment. At Mississauga Family Dentistry, your comfort and well-being are our priority. We specialize in treating patients with dental anxiety. We offer nitrous oxide sedation to help ensure a positive experience during your treatment. Don't let dental anxiety stand in your way. Contact us at 905-896-8116. We're here to help you smile healthier, happier.